A very good morning, racing folks. Welcome to the Derby Day, Bangalore Derby, 12th July 2026. It's a 5 crore bumper prize for the Derby. After Malaya, I guess, Mr. Zaveri Kulanda, very generous man to sponsor the Derby and the stake money. Anyways, going to the total of 9 races, folks, have some discipline, fiscal discipline. If you go to bet all 9 races, at the end of the day, it's very difficult to make money. संभाल के खेलियो भैया, 9 रेस है, इस 9 रेस में सब रेस मत खेलना कर. स्टिल पीपल प्ले ऑल रेसेस. फर्स्ट रेस में चलते हैं. हैदराबाद सॉल्वर क्लास 3 की रेस है. प्रसन्ना कुमार has 2 horses, Sesi Sara and Starzella. स्टारजेला नंबर 8 एंथनी राज चला रहा है और मार्गरेट के साथ 1000 गिनीज में हैव अ गुड फाइट. बास्केट बिट निकाल दिया है, बिग प्लस पॉइंट. आई डोंट लाइक बास्केट बिट. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर द हॉर्स. आई थिंक शी शुड विन दिस रेस. द ऑड्स सब भाव, आज रात के भाव बड़े कमज़ोर निकले. आई थिंक रेस टाइम यू मे सी सम इम्प्रूवमेंट. 60-70 पैसा खुला हुआ है, तो विल सी. सेकेंड रेस में चलते हैं. द सेकेंड रेस ऑफ द डे इज द इंडियन पैटर्न कमेटी ट्रॉफी डिवीजन 1. 1200 मीटर की रेस है, क्लास 4 की रेस है. द हॉर्स इज मोर लाइक क्लास 5 रादर देन क्लास 4. वेटारा बॉम्बे हॉर्स ran decent in Bombay. Alamuddin is riding. Arjun Mangalorkar on job yesterday. I assumed everybody on the job. In my group, many people ask me for the info. Actually, Derby, pre-Derby, there is no point info. Everybody is on the job because photograph, friends को impress करना वगैरह वगैरह. एक नंबर Naughty Cruise can place. Prasanna Kumar takes 5 kilo allowance. Sachin is riding. Other than that, Majestic Persona, Sharad Kumar changes the equipment. Chiku riding maybe also can place. But I think I'll skip this race. Il Volo also got big time betting race before that. But छोड़ के चलो. The third race of the day is the Mumbai Cup, 1200 meters, class 1 की रेस है. There are some good horses running, but at the same time there is my theory horse. मेरी एक थियरी है जो 90% करेक्ट होती है. क्लास 2 का विनर गोइंग एट क्लास 1 एट 50 किलो विंस Regal Reality and Echoes of Time. Both are class 2 winners going in class 1. Regal Reality, well-bred horse, excellent art, silver beauty, Poonawala ka Ghoda. Suleiman Attoli is in a form now, back to form yesterday. Also, Akshay Kumar riding, big question. Problem is concern is the 12th draw. And she didn't beat much, but she was running after a long layoff, so that was a plus. 50 kilo is a magic number for horses fly, folks. I'll check Echoes of Time. She's basically a Mysore horse, Madras Mysore circuit. So I edge to Regal Reality. Masato and Masato can place. John is the trainer of that. Next race में चलते हैं. पटेल एंड पटेल रेसिंग LLP BTC एनिवर्सरी कप ग्रेड 2 की रेस है. One horse stands out, but the odds are not that good. Moneybags in a rousing form, most improved horse after that other one. The horse is in Prasanna Kumar training and Vivek Ji is riding. 70 paisa Kulai, I think race time jayega because no value for the money. It's a tough race. Non-Parel, Delhi Derby winner can place. Galahad, there are some good horses in this race. Shamrock is also there, so we'll see for the place. But for win, I like Moneybags going at a very tidy handicap, 52 kilos, big plus point. Next race पे चलते हैं. The fifth race of the day, the 5-star Shipping Million. ये रेस बड़ी टफ रही है. रेसिंग मसल्स वाली 3-year-old maiden only. Last time Sensuous ran a very good race, but Arvind Ganpati, I don't think he has won a race in a very, very long time. When the horses and trainers are out of form, they are out of form. Suraj Baba, maybe the sun can shine today, yesterday. some bad luck, gloriousness bled very badly. Anyways, ये पेपर हैंडीकेप का कोई मतलब नहीं. मैं जैसे रॉयल लेगेसी कैन प्लेस अर्जुन मैंगलोरकर. All horses will be in a try, I think. नेक्स्ट रेस में चलते हैं. दी टॉप अथॉरिटीज ऑफ इंडिया ट्रॉफी. ये 9 फर्लॉन्ग की रेस है, 1800 मीटर. दिस रेस always pace of the race, luck of the race, too many factors, permutation, combination, refreshment. प्रसन्न कुमार का घोड़ा हैट्रिक वाला, लेकिन no run, but that wouldn't matter to him, I suppose. And Winfield was running after layoff, but ran a very good race with Johan Menabon. I like Oliver. I think little top weight and I don't know. I think race 2, 3, 4, but Winfield plays. I mean, each way maybe a better. Moonstar also is there. So this race is also little tough. Always these 9 furlong non-classic races, I try to avoid or play place only. The next race, the 7th race of the day, the feature race of the day, the Zaveri Gas Punala Bangalore Summer Derby. 2000 meters. Peshibawa holds the key to this race. Diarthanan, Deauville, Vakka Bachcha, Peshicharav. I was hoping Trevor Baba would ride, but Yash Naridu not exactly in a form. And the main thing is the pace, luck of the race. इसके पहले 3-4 रेस देखना. If the closers are winning, पीछे वाले तो Margareta big advantage. Margareta comes from way out of the cloud, बहुत पीछे से आती है. और पेस भी फास्ट नहीं. Normally Pacey puts a pacemaker, but there is no pacemaker here. I assume by the bend Dartnan will go front, and then Margareta will make the last move. There is Naughty Emperor, Gusto Ka Baby, then there is Havoc. Havoc ran a very good race. Jaidev Modi was seen in the paddock. I think maybe can place also. There are 3 places in that race. The next race, the 8th race of the day, the Indian Pattern Committee Division 2, Class 4 की रेस है. सुलेमान का घोड़ा 2 नंबर ठीक विक्टरी था. इज द ओनली 3-year-old in that race. And then there is Lena, who always all the time gets betting and going 6 furlong now. Last 2 times then in a 7 furlong race is Arun Kumar, Prasanna Kumar's brother horse. Anyways, it's a so-so race, not my cup of tea. Last race में चलते हैं. The Indian Pattern Committee Division 3 1200 मीटर की रेस है. Last time I bet this horse in place Power of the Sea, ढाई का place था. He was running after a long layoff. He's a well-bred horse. Today भाव बराबर नहीं खुल रहा, 60-70 पैसा. We'll see. And there's horse number 3, Das Dayu, whatever call it, can place. All said and done, folks, race is always competitive on pre-Derby day, or yesterday you saw many, because everybody is trying, everybody wants to impress their friends, take photographs, etc., etc. So be careful, be very selective. There is always from 17th, all good centers are also opening. If you have a huge loss, just have patience. In the racing, folks, you need patience and fiscal discipline. I see so many people, rash gamblers, sub race, every race. Very difficult to make money. Law of averages catches up on you. 9 race खेलना. सदैव नकुल हो तो जीत सकते हो, बाकी तो क्लैप करने की रेस होती है, ताली बजाने की रेस. Anyways, thanks for watching. Do press the notification button and share this video if you like it. And these are not my final selection. My final selection always after the paddock, body weight and the little bit of